Hello, folks. Welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. Today I'm with you again with another tech video, and this time we are going to show you how to install RAM. How to install RAM memory if you want to change or you want to increase. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a laptop. This is an Acer laptop, and the first thing is you need to remove battery. That's how we remove battery, these old laptops, and then we need to open it. So guys, after you remove the battery, the next step is we need to open the keyboard, and you can use any sharp object, or I'm gonna use this screwdriver, and need to do it gently and nicely, because this is a plastic body and there is a chance to break. And after you do that, there are some connectors inside, data cables, and some other cables which you need to unplug. And after, you can remove this keyboard like this, and now it's separated from the laptop. I'm gonna keep it on a side for now. And the next thing is remove the hard drive. So these two screws, I have the one here. So after this, you have to just push backwards like this, and your hard drive will come out. DVD room also, it's very easy like this. And now here is the motherboard part. So before motherboard, I will unplug this power cable which is connected with the fan like this. So this is unplugged, and we need to unscrew fan. After, I'm gonna do this. This is a Wi-Fi card, so we unscrewed it like this. This is your fan. Now we need to unscrew our motherboard. I think I already did. There are no more screws. And the last thing is to disconnect from this LCD. In some laptops, it's quite easier. There are slots at the back side, and that's very easy. Let me just show you another model of Acer, where you just need to open this one screw, take it out, and then it's DDR4 for this laptop, and you can just insert this. That's very easy. But as we have an old model, so with this you have to take it out everything. I have to take it out motherboard as well. So you're gonna take it out motherboard. Okay, this is CPU under this, and you can see motherboard, And these two are RAM, random access memory. So as I already have two, but if you would like to change or replace, just press these two and it will come out. So this is 8 GB. It's DDR3 RAM. So if you like to increase or install new RAM, you can do like this. So I have one 4 GB and one 8 GB DDR3, and only this same model and the same size will work. Like you cannot install DDR4 into DDR3 slot, and DDR3 you cannot install in DDR4. So let me just put this back. Make sure that it's plugged properly, and we can fix it back. These are the wires for speakers. Okay, the motherboard is fixed, and we need to fix the screws back. The next is fan. Let's put back fan. After fan, you need to fix Wi-Fi card. This is the first step, and then we need to screw also. And this is the power cable for fan. This will go back. This is for speaker. Okay, and this one is LCD. And after this we have to fix back our hard drive. Fix back the screws for hard drive. DVD. Now we need to fix back all those data cables and power cables. Okay, so we are almost done. we need to connect these, and then we are good to go. So that's how we install a new memory, or we change the memory. And actually you can also test also, if you're thinking your RAM is having any problem, you can just test it out also like this. So this was today's tech video. I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech and Travel Soul in order to get more informative videos. And in next video we will bring something new for you. So stay tuned, and bye for now.